Plan has been to get the bowler out and start working on that for the springtime and springtime camping, but as you can see out here, that is not going to happen anytime soon, so we're staying in the shop for now. Yeah, here's a project that's a little bigger than my bench. Modifying this base bracket for a fella, and just make it work, right? Got to cut some tabs for the piece that's going to fit onto the base. So that's the first thing we're going to do. Then we're going to tack them onto the base piece, and so we've got a good surface for doing a final weld and make sure it's all square and everything. Okay, these pieces are going to get all cleaned up and get tacked into the piece we're adding to the base.
And now we're on to grinding all the pieces, getting them all clean, ready to tack up.
Okay, put a couple tacks in now. And occasionally you goof up, and here's where I forgot to put my ground clamp on, but we're back rolling again. Time to get all the tabs welded on, get it ready for install. Takes a little bit of time to do it. Gotta tack them all into place first, and then finish weld them. Getting the last of the tabs done. I won't show you
tacking it into place there on the frame, because it's just a lot of putzing around just to try and get it all straightened out and everything, get the dimensions right. But all this tacking's done, and we're ready to go on to the next step.
All right. Got the piece all tacked in, ready to be finish welded. Came together pretty good. Had to do a little bit of tweaking to get it just right, but it's working. All right, just finishing up this the final welding on this last side of the frame. You may have noticed I changed my shirt. It's not because I needed to. It's that my wife reminded me that it was my good shirt and shouldn't really be having sparkles in it. So yeah, new shirt. It's not a different day. Anyways, back to her. There we go. Welds are done. I'll do a little bit of cleanup, but welds are done, and this is ready to go back to John. There we go.
Alrighty, got to get it off the bench now and take a look and see what's next in the bin of things to do.
Here's the next piece I'm working on for John. Got to put a bit of a bracket over top. You can see right here, it's got to be 7/8 for the width of the bearing there. It's going to roll along this track, and it's just going to be kind of just caged in there. So probably make it out a 1/4 inch stock, and I'll do that. But that's a job for another day. Now I'm going to enjoy the snow day. Take care. Hope you come back and see what I'm doing soon.